how does PPC work for merch on Amazon? Merch on Amazon, basically a PPC works quite similarly. Here, what I noticed, we actually helped only the one brand with merch on Amazon. Reason for that is not necessarily that we are not specialized on that, but we see that you can apply more strategies with brands that are selling private label products, to be upfront. So merch by Amazon, what we've seen on our end is that because it's such, if you're selling your brand t-shirts, for example, someone who's looking for your brand probably will write your brand name and look for your product, right? So in that example, whoever would buy your product that is a merch, what is seen performing really well, very short keywords, so broad, short keywords that were describing the product. Now, this was a good strategy for merch. Right now, I'm not saying that should be also a strategy for private label. I think that's the only thing that I saw different whenever we helped this account that was selling merch, and it worked really well for them. Let me know if you already applied that or what is the current strategy so I can also give input there.